Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fan favorite, the Best Bad Bunny Heart Sticker from DH Jewelry. This delightful sticker has captured the hearts of many fans and creators alike, and I'm excited to share what makes it so special. This sticker features a simple yet eye-catching red heart design, perfect for any Bad Bunny enthusiast. Measuring 3 inches, it's versatile enough to decorate your water bottles, laptops, tumblers, luggage, or even your phone. Whether you want to express your love for Bad Bunny or just add a pop of color to your belongings, this sticker does the job flawlessly. What sets this sticker apart is its quality. Made from high-quality vinyl, it's not just a pretty face, it's also waterproof and durable. You won't have to worry about fading or peeling off, even when exposed to the elements. This means you can confidently display your love for Bad Bunny wherever you go. Applying this sticker is a breeze. It comes with a peel and stick backing, allowing you to effortlessly place it on any clean, flat surface. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast looking to personalize your items or just someone wanting to add a bit of flair to your everyday carry, this sticker fits right in. The themes of this sticker resonate with so many fans. Bad Bunny's influence in music and pop culture is undeniable, and this heart sticker captures that essence beautifully. It's a great way to show off your fandom while also being a stylish accessory. Perfect for gifting, or even as a little treat for yourself. While there are countless stickers out there, the Bad Bunny heart sticker stands out due to its simplicity and vibrant design. Unlike more complex stickers that can feel overwhelming, this one keeps it clean and straightforward, appealing to both casual fans and die-hard devotees alike. In terms of value, the price is also quite reasonable. Currently retailing for about $3.38, it's an affordable way to add some personality to your belongings. Plus, with options to customize and choose between 1, 2, or 3 pieces, you can mix and match to your heart's content. Imagine walking into a room and instantly catching eyes with your stylish water bottle or laptop adorned with this iconic sticker. It not only represents a connection to a beloved artist but also sparks conversations and brings people together through shared interests. So, whether you're a longtime Bad Bunny fan or just love cute, fun stickers, the Best Bad Bunny heart sticker is a must-have. It's not just a sticker, it's a statement piece that showcases your personality and style. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting product critiques. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this sticker or if you have any other favorites. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.